3 AFM tips in under 3 minutes. Tip number 1. Risk management is a short question that's going to come in the exam. Under risk management, new topics such as collars or interest rate hedging are important topics because new topics are generally tested every single time. Now, within risk management, it's very important that you understand the practical and the calculation aspects as well as the commenting aspects, because only a combination of both will reward you the marks that you deserve. And there are certain straightforward marks in AFM in topics such as how to set up a hedge or call or put or buy or sell. So make sure that you don't lose out on these straightforward marks. Tip number 2. Make sure that you're comfortable with the spreadsheets that are with the conditions that are appearing in your exam, or with a scientific calculator, or a combination of both. Because AFM has a lot of complex computations, and to help you save time, the better you are, the more familiar you are with either of these tools, the better for you in the exam. If you're living in a country where it's still paper-based exams, go with the scientific calci. If you're in India or in a country where even the professional level papers have now come to the computer-based system, ensure you know the Excel spreadsheet and hopefully the scientific calci as well. So before I come to the third tip, guys, if we have a video in which we've given tips and tricks for all P-level papers generically, so do check that out. Also, if you like these kind of videos, do subscribe and leave comments specifically for these videos if there's anything that you would like to know further about AFM. Tip number 3. There are certain topics which are introduced newly in AFM, and because they're new, they are not available currently in the exam or the practice kit of publishers such as BBP or Kaplan. Topics such as security tranches, yield to maturity, etc., etc. But they are tested and they are available only in the technical article section of the ACCA Global website. So make sure that for your AFM paper, even for other P-level papers, do ensure that you go through the technical articles of that exam, because there's a very high chance that the examiner has written an article to give you an idea that these topics are going to appear for you in your next exam. So guys, with that, if we've missed out on any tip, or if you have an additional tip which you can help others with, please do leave it in the comments, and thank you as always. So guys, wait, before you leave, I'm going to leave you all with the same old. Do you know what the difference between you and a successful version of you is? The successful version of you would not miss out on subscribing to this channel today.